Connecting to a natural gas main is a construction project. Let's review the process, including tasks of the homeowner, contractors, and PECO's professionals. Once PECO receives your signed contract, a natural gas installation coordinator will contact you. PECO will also start the permit process. Upon permit issuance, the coordinator will let you know the installation time frame. Installations typically take 8 to 12 weeks after PECO receives your signed contract. Schedule delays may happen due to unforeseen circumstances. The installation coordinator will contact you the Friday before and 2 days before the crew is expected to arrive. Underneath your lawn are obstacles to the installation of a service line. PECO will contact PA1 call. Before installation, a technician will mark underground public facilities outside the property for the installation crew to avoid. The property owner is responsible for marking all private and public underground facilities inside the property lines. Consider hiring a landscaper to move trees, plants, and shrubs from the work zone before the gas crew arrives. No need to be present during construction. A crew member will confirm with you the best location for the natural gas service and meter. Backhoes may leave tread marks in your lawn, in addition to a dirt swath where crews dug a trench for the service line. The crew will fill the trench and temporarily patch public areas such as public sidewalks and streets. Depending on the weather and how well the soil settles, in about 60 days, PECO's crews will restore public sidewalk concrete and street asphalt. Remember, consider hiring a landscaper to restore your lawn, shrubs, and hardscaping. While PECO will fill in any holes or trenches dug during the installation, PECO does not provide restoration services for your lawn or property. Contractors with construction near the gas line should take the necessary precautions, including contacting PA1 call. Once the service line is in place, the next step is gas meter installation. PECO requires the homeowner's HVAC contractor or plumber to complete all inside gas piping out to the meter location, installing at least one natural gas appliance ready for testing. For help finding a qualified contractor, visit the Electrical Association of Philadelphia at www.eap.org. An ideal time to schedule this is immediately after PECO's work is complete. The plumber or HVAC contractor must leave a test gauge attached to the end of the inside plumbing, showing a continuous pressure reading. A separate crew will install the meter only after the homeowner's plumber or HVAC contractor has completed their work. After PECO has installed the natural gas service line and your plumber or HVAC contractor leaves a test gauge on the pipe, you can contact PECO to arrange a meter set. During the installation of the natural gas meter, PECO requires your home to have at least one natural gas appliance ready to be turned on and tested. Remember, connecting to a natural gas main is a construction project involving PECO and its installation contractor, the homeowner, and the homeowner's contractors. Important points include: PECO will contact PA1 call to mark public underground facilities. It is the homeowner's responsibility to mark private underground facilities. PECO is responsible for street and public sidewalk restorations, while the homeowner is responsible for yard, driveway, or walkway restorations. Consider hiring a landscaper before and after the project. PECO does not include restoration of private property in the contract price. Understand that scheduling delays can happen. The homeowner needs to hire a plumber or HVAC contractor to do inside plumbing and equipment installations. They must have at least a test gauge attached to the end of the inside plumbing and be ready to test at least one natural gas appliance. Meter sets are the last step to starting your natural gas service. For further information about natural gas equipment rebates, visit peco.com/rebates. At PECO, safety comes first. If you smell natural gas or see a downed power line, leave the area immediately. Then call PECO at 1-800-841-4141. Dial 811 or visit www.pa1call.org at least 3 days before you start digging. Thank you for choosing natural gas from PECO.